All right, guys, I have a very serious matter to talk about with everybody out there. I just want to let you guys know that if you're not aware of right now in the world, especially over here in the United States, and I'm sure everywhere, people are buying up all of the sanitizers, all of the cleaning supplies, especially hand sanitizer. They're buying them out and they're reselling them at 10s and 20 times profit on eBay and Amazon. I'm so against that, man. So against that. Like, people need these supplies. Like, the coronavirus just hit Tennessee. We have one patient in Williamson County. He's a 40-year-old man, I believe, in his 40s, and he's being quarantined. He did it the right way. He called his doctor. He didn't go to the waiting room, and he tested positive, so they're treating him. He's at home, and they actually shut down the school systems today and Monday. But it's creating some kind of widespread panic. So people are going and buying all the supplies off the shelves at Walmart and online, and they're reselling them at a profit. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own sanitizer. I want to give that back to the community. I want to teach you guys so that if you or your loved ones need sanitizer, you don't have to pay $100 for a $5 bottle. If you don't believe me, go check eBay, go check Amazon. If you can get them, you're going to pay so much more over the retail price, which is so wrong in so many ways, man. I mean, resale is one thing, but reselling things that people need to stay alive is crazy. But anyway, that's a whole nother subject, man. It just don't set well with me at all. But that's that. But anyway, I'm going to teach you how to make the sanitizer. My wife and I are going to give you a full video. We got the supplies on how to do it. We're going to do that.
Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at home. And you may hear my kids in the background. But first you're going to need 91% isopropyl alcohol, or the highest that you can find. You're also going to need some aloe vera gel. And some kind of a clean container to put it in. I went with this glass squirt jar. And this is optional. You don't have to add a scent, but if you do have an essential oil you like, you can also add in a few drops of that. You're also going to need a measuring cup. So go ahead and grab whatever it is that you're going to put your hand sanitizer in and get that opened up. And you're going to want to measure out 2/3 a cup of alcohol. So that's what I'm going to do here. If you have a funnel, if you're putting it in something small like this, like I am, it might be useful to grab that also. But we're going to measure out 2/3 of a cup. So once you've measured out your alcohol, go ahead and put it into your container. And then you're going to want to get 1/3 of a cup of the aloe vera gel. And this is a thicker consistency, so I had a little bit of trouble here. I had to get a funnel so that I could get it to go in. So maybe I would recommend mixing it up in a bowl first and then pouring it into your container. Now, depending on the consistency that you want from your hand sanitizer, look at what you've already got mixed up. And if you want it a little bit thicker, you can add in a little bit more aloe vera gel. I wanted it to be a little bit runnier, so I only added a little bit more. But if you do want either a runny or thicker gel, just go ahead and add a little bit more of that. And then this is where you can add in the essential oil that you chose. So now all that's left to do is just shake it up. If you did it in a bowl, you just mix it, whisk it together, or you can do like I did and just put the top on and just give it a good shake till it's all mixed together. So this is where I decided that I wanted my consistency to be a little bit thicker. I didn't want it to come out so fast of the nozzle. So I did go ahead and add a little bit more of the aloe vera gel, as I said before. And then just go ahead and mix that back up. And that's it, guys. Now you have your own DIY handmade hand sanitizer. So guys, this is not intended to save lives. It's just a precautionary measure. I know a lot of the stores are out of hand sanitizer, so this is a second option if you cannot find it already pre-made. So everybody have a blessed day.
Till next time, guys, be lit and let's get it.